Yo, what up? What time is it where you are? It's only really fucking late here. 3:36. Oof. It was later 30 minutes ago. You don't see a Rust tag on the stream? That must be a mistake. Should I do Rust? What would I do in Rust? I don't know if I really want to work on the Minecraft thing. You literally just started Rust today. What do you think of it so far? Very explicit. Yeah. I think that's a good thing. Probably. Oh, shoot. Huh? The heck happened there? That was weird. We could work on the Minecraft thing. It was just kind of annoying. I kind of want to finish the Go thing, just that it's done. It's like so close. Where was I working on this? Here. It's just going to take a lot of time to get used to it, and the tooling simplicity of Go is so... that's where we disagree. The tooling of Go is hot garbage. I can't even hot reload. How do I hot reload? Maybe it's a skill issue. Golang hot reload build. Air. Why is this just not a thing? Why did I have to make this myself? What are you hot reloading? Anything. Just any program that you want to rerun every time you make changes to the source code. Really should be a part of the tool chain, in my opinion. It's like such a common use case for developing. What should I do first? We could do disconnected people. That's going to require some form of okay, I don't mean hot reloading actually. I mean live reloading. Like if you consider those things different. Like I just want the program to completely recompile and restart when I edit a file. That's all I want. Rust does it pretty well. I mean, compiling's a little slow, but what can you do? Pretty much every TypeScript the framework has it now. Yeah, I do it with Bash, but it's just annoying. Like I have to have this goofy script. Live reload package for Golang, is that a thing? I don't know. I made my own thing, but it's annoying that I had to. I see. Hmm. Yes. Oh, it's called Air now, I guess. There's file watchers and things, but I haven't gone exploring into all of them. Yeah. They're not called packages. They're called modules. Get it straight. Okay, let's see. Does this thing still work? Local. So I need to create a game. Hmm. Get with the lingo or you won't be invited to the Gopher Club. Yeah. Okay, what did we need? See disconnected people. So I think we just make the name red or something. Maybe put an X next to their name. How the heck do we do that? Uh, we have a game state here. That's sick. So we can just literally do it in like the view function. Well, are we handling the disconnects? No. Okay, well, first we need to do that. So where the heck? Okay, here. WebSocket message. Oh, I forgot how awful Go is. And how much we copy pasted everything. Wait, we have reconnect. If we have reconnect, what is all this? Why you copy paste? Don't they have? It's not that easy. Isn't it like? Hold on. Disconnect. Yeah, we need to handle the disconnect message. So we're already handling reconnect. Why are we handling reconnect but not disconnect? Eh. What the fuck is this doing? So first we copy and then we paste. And we call this disconnect. And then we just change all of these to say disconnect. Easy. User ID. Right. What is going on here? Oh, this doesn't happen, I guess. Don't we need to like connected equals false? Where do we do reconnect? True, right? It doesn't trigger me, actually. I actually like it. I know how to fix it, but it like when it goes to the left, I know that like it doesn't have any errors. And if it's like indented to the right, I know there's an error somewhere. It like gets my attention. I mean, I know the number's also down here somewhere, but I'd never look at this. It's my workflow, okay? No hating. Okay. So if this player leaves, oh shit. How do we know if it worked? I didn't actually make it change anything visually. Shit. Okay, we need to reconsider here. So the problem is it's this table thing. And this table has its own view function. And so we actually can't do it nicely. What the fuck is this sprint here? Oh, so it's the name and then the score. Okay, so on disconnect, we want to like change their name to be like red, I guess. Oh god, wait, this is bad code. Yeah, how do we fix this? Oh yeah. I don't know if I know any of their other songs. Let me see. Any recommendations? All of them? All right. Uh Here we go. We're on shuffle. How do I make a function on my... It's just like this, right? What did I just call that? Render table. That wasn't different, right? This is the thing about copy pasted code. You need to make sure it's all the same when you uncopy paste it. Um, oh, that is not what that sounds like. I'd rather take the time to make sure the code is right than... Oh, what is happening here? This is in restart. Oh, why is this one so different? um, we're just not gonna worry about it. Remember how I said we were gonna worry about it? Yeah, I think it's fine, to be honest. I think it's probably... Yeah, if we just don't worry about it, can't hurt us. I think we can do this last. Which program is this one? I will show you in 1 second as soon as I finish this little refactor we're in the middle of. Tell me this one doesn't need it. Cool. Welcome surely does need it. Update our name? Oh, jeez. Who wrote this? I don't think I did. I think this might have been my... This must have been Good Cop. That's what it was. Okay. This is what this program is. Crashed. Do we know why it crashed? Okay. So something happened. A little bit of a panic. Nobody panic except the program. Main.go 1029 maybe? Or it was 316. Looks like 316 is the most likely. Oh, shit. It failed on this? Okay. We're gonna have to start worrying about what we did here. I think it was on welcome that it had an issue, so let's go down to welcome. What did we delete here? For state dot players. What is state? I think that's our issue. You can still get second. Just saying. Right. So the issue here is that we need to put m.state equals state, maybe. We'll take the address of it because of course we will. It's Golang. Okay, we didn't crash out. That's good. So if we close this one, we still don't have any way to know if it worked. I forgot we still didn't write that part. It's did I mention I forgot how to program over the past like month? It's kind of tragic. So true. Okay, so in our render table function, we want to say if player.connected is false, then name equals how do we color some text? Dot color. Oh wait, we need a style. Where do we make our styles? Inline? I feel like we're not supposed to be doing that. Maybe we are. But we could just do it here. Disconnected equals new style, foreground, it's red. Oh, what are you complaining about? Huh? Disconnected dot render name. What's the issue? String does not implement terminal color. What? Oh. Oops. Why is this not like going down onto the next line? What? Hello? Oh, the dot goes on this line? Okay, this time we can test if disconnecting whole, it turned why did it decide to truncate that? What? I mean, it worked. That's great. It didn't work on reconnect. Hello? Why didn't it work on reconnect? Da, 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 da. Yeah, why? I don't get why it did that. Oh, this needs to not be inside the if. That is clear. But why did it do goo? Something is weird about this table. Table with columns and with height. It's got a width of 14. Why? Hey, how's it going? Oh, are you kidding? You're kidding. No, you're actually joking. It's counting the like text color as characters towards the limit. What do we do about that? What do we do when we have a problem in like a dependency? I don't know how to use Golang. How do I fork a library? We need to fork bubble tea. Is it an issue? Pull requests. Table. No. Table. Wait, this is an example. What? Where's the table? Where is it actually like implemented? Is this the wrong library? Oh, it is. We're looking for bubbles, maybe? Bubbles? Charm? Bubbles. We're looking for bubbles. Okay. Table. This is why a lot of times I just figure out how to do things myself. I mean, writing a whole UI framework for the terminal is like not fun. I doubt it's something they have actually cared about. We're gonna do the old fork. Rename session fork. Damn it. Okay, we've got our own bubbles. So we're gonna look for where they do the dot dot dot. Oh, it's not. Oh wait, it's this. Rune width dot truncate. What is truncate? Go rune width. The fuck is rune width? Some package? Return default condition. What the fuck is any of this? This is a different package? No. Oh, it's locale based? Oh, we don't care about any of that. Listen, here's what's gonna happen. Jesus. Uh, this is obnoxious. What is the tail part? Oh, it's like what to replace it with? Yeah, yeah. Okay, what are you? New graphemes. The fuck are you talking about? String width is just a function that returns the length of the string. Yeah? I can write that. Uh, fuck is rune width? Returns the number of cells in R. I hate runes. Like, I get it. Working on some Go code, trying to understand what the hell this truncate function does. Um, strings dot I actually don't even know how to get this length of a string, and yeah, I know about that. I don't have it anymore, and I forget why, but I had some reason that I got rid of it. It's just like s dot string length golang len. Sure, why not? It's literally not shorter than just doing the thing. Well, maybe we'll want this abstraction for some reason. We have IntelliSense, but it doesn't help me understand when it's some built-in function. G. We're iterating over the graphemes. So what is this function even doing? We So this is like the each like I'm guessing this is each like Unicode character. Oh, this isn't Go dot. No, this is just Go. Okay, I think I'm just gonna rewrite this from first principles because I don't understand what the hell is happening here. Um, hey Rinks. Do I even have to worry about emojis here? I think I do. Sorry, we don't have while in this language. It feels okay. I feel rusty at programming is what I feel. We do 4. Hmm. Okay, so the naive approach is just this. But then we need we needed to be smart about weird characters. Oh, why didn't that copy? Gosh, dang it. That's gonna copy the line numbers. No. Oh no. Don't judge me for how shameful that was. Okay. We're gonna truncate hello world 5 characters, and we're gonna put the dot character in. Oh my god. You probably want this in a main function too, don't you? Now, how do you figure that that is 5 characters long? Because from where I'm looking, that feels like it's 3 characters. So that must mean that this is like a Unicode character. Yeah, yeah. Oh boy. Sure is 3 whole bytes. Okay. I mean, at that point, you might as well just do 3 periods, right? Like, what's the point? Not even any savings. Nobody uses UTF-16. That's not real. Don't make things up. So how do we get the length of... Well, first of all, yes, rune count in string. Exactly what I want. Hell. Okay, let's make that 6 so it's not hell. Hello, dot dot dot. Great. Let's keep that test so we don't break it. And then let's get one that's 5 emojis. We gotta get the weird ones in there. Like the family of 4 classic. Oh. Oh, they don't have, okay. None of these are the long ones. Windows emojis are kind of not good. We'll get 2 of those. Yeah, so that breaks, but that's expected. So we can... Oh, wait, we can just do this. Cute. We could do runes equals... So we'll get the length of runes. Oh, wait, shit. We just do this. The variable of type rune. Okay. Length of rune in bytes Golang. No. Golang rune. How the fuck? Runelen. Hey, Beaver. We can... What do I do? Instead of this, we do UTF-8 not Runelen. What? Is that not right? I swear that was it. Oh, it's capital R because Golang is garbage. We're closer, but we only have a family of 2 instead of a family of 4. Oh, right. Now we have to handle Z2AJ. Classic. Then we should be home free. Except we'll have to still handle ASCII escape sequences. Great. Or not ASCII. What is it? ANSI. That's the one. So, if how do we check if it is a certain rune? Golang, check if rune is ZWJ. Is letter? That's a real thing? No, I wanna, how do I like... Hey, look. This is that library. You don't know how to do database backups? Oh my god. I can't think of anything worse, to be honest. I'm sorry. It's no good. You know, we still could use this RuneWidth library. Do you want to see how I do my database backups? I'll show you. You ready for this? Wait, does this have... Let me see if this has secrets in it. I don't think it should. You never know. No, we're good. Okay, it does have one secret, but oh well. Very secure secret. So basically, what you're going to want to do, make a directory called database backups. And then you call pgdump. Ooh. And the pgdump, you're going to do Z5 to do, you know, level 5 compression. And then you're just going to put it out to a GZ file. And then you just S3 it up to the wherever you're backing up your database. You know? Does that make sense? Have I clarified? Mm-hmm. And then I delete the old ones. And then this is essential. What you're gonna want to do is put it in here. How do you recover? You worry about that when the time comes. You think I actually test my recovery process? No, I actually did once. I mean, you only need to test it when you change the backup process. Exactly. No, recovery is when you need to use the backup, right? So a common problem is that you do backups and then you fuck up your database and you're like, all right, let's revert to the backup. You go to revert to the backup and you realize the backups like were never working because nobody ever tested them. And then you're like, oh, time to make a new company. I don't know. So you should probably test the backups. Yeah, that's what I would do if I was trying to recover this database. But that's because I have low traffic. What were we doing? We were doing some ZWJ shit. Did somebody fix this? All right, so yeah. Emoji equals table. What the fuck is going on in here? This is not how you do this. Is this the magic? Can you just compare them against FE0F? What? Oh, the variation selector. Yeah, you got to worry about that too. That's a good call. Where am I going? Here. We're gonna do. We're gonna back up. No, didn't want to do that. Shit. That didn't work. FE0E? Surely that's the zero width joiner. Oh wait, that's also a variation selector? Wait, there's two different variation selectors? Is it this one? What was it? 200D? There it is. Why do I keep getting confused? I want to go here. Okay. So this one is going to be continue. If shit. It still didn't work. Wait, R? No. Runes. Uh-oh. Did I make an infinite loop? I think I just made an infinite loop. Why would that be an infinite loop? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, what if we like increase W in this case? We want to always increase R because that's like our index. We can't make progress if we don't increase R. Oopsie. Hey, look, it worked. I did it. Okay. Now we have the fun task of ANSI escape codes. Shit. These are hard. Simple escapes. Yeah, we need to just like skip over escape sequences. Oh no. Maybe we can just do color codes and call it a day. I'm definitely not PRing this. This is a just us problem. Okay, so if we run into an OX1B, we know shit's about to go down. How do we... How do we write a test for this? Golang print colored texts. Hopefully we can just find like a... Yeah. Perfect. CVEs and terminals with ANSI characters? Sure, I'll take a look. Oh, equals equals. Hmm. How do you know when it's done? No, yeah, I get that, but how do you know when you're reading this thing, how do you know it's like is it the M? Yeah, guess so. So we'll loop until the M. Sure. Uh oh, this is not gonna end actually. Uh That can potentially infinite loop. ASCII table. Where's M? 6D. Hey, good morning. Okay, late night. Yeah. Not the cooling. I'm sorry. We're deep in it now. Okay. Well, I'm figuring it out in the playground so I can bring this back to my project. So we looped 4 times. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got out. What didn't work about this? We're doing dumb things. So don't even worry. Yeah. We're in deep. I'm not quite sure why this is cutting here. Hi. Is this supposed to be up here? Does that make a difference? Yeah, we were using some library for this, but I wanted to add support for ignoring ANSI escape codes for my weird use case. So I'm basically reinventing the wheel. What am I reading? I don't know what normalization means. What I don't get is why. Is it something like this? But we're missing way too many characters. We've got an H now. Am I supposed to be adding 2 or something? Why would it be 2? We left. Hmm. No, it wouldn't be 2. This should say hello. Something about this is wrong. As opposed to what? We skip around, kind of. Like this loop, this inside loop can advance the thing, but it doesn't work. So that's fun. I don't really get why. Like, okay, so here's the idea, right? This function is supposed to take a string, it takes a length, and then it takes another string. So like here are the examples. Like hello world, cut that to 6 characters, and the tail is ... So it says like, okay, I can use up 5 characters from the hello world, and then I need 1 extra character for the ... And the whole total string will be 6 characters. Great. This one also works. It's a bunch of emojis and then world. We get 5 characters and then ... But this one with the ANSI escape is taking 5 characters, including the escape, even though I told it that I don't care. Like, I don't want to count the escape. At least I thought that's what I was saying. But for some reason, it's still... Let's do like... We'll get like we got R, %D, W, Unicode helper methods for detecting Unicode specific things. It doesn't really help because Like, ANSI escape sequences aren't a Unicode thing. Like, the Unicode's not the problem here. It's just my logic is bad for some reason. So you're telling me R is 4 and W is 10 when we get out of the loop. And then what happens? We come down to here. R will be 5. Oh. We're not incrementing pause. That's the one that matters. Jeez. I have too many pointers. I don't want to strip them. That doesn't help. Okay, now it works. No, don't worry. You're fine. It's just I want to keep them. I just want to not count them towards the like length of the string. Now we have a new problem though where we're not we're not going to have a reset at the end. So what we'll do is our truncate function is going to be a little bit goofy. It's going to just tack one on. It's fine. They don't hurt anything to have a reset at the end of your strings. All right. I think we've got the function. Is it awful? Yeah. Well, that's fine. Oh, we still have a print. Look at that. That's beautiful. We got our family of 4 right here. you gotta respect the family of 4. Do we have what's like a variation one we could do? Shrug? Oh, we've got the skin tones. Perfect. Oh no. That's not right. This needs to also do 2, doesn't it? No? How do variation selectors work? Variation selector, Unicode. FE0X? You know where we can steal this from is myself. I've written this code before. Sadly. Is variations... Oh, Jesus. No, but I wrote my own. Eat the variation selector. Does the variation selector come before or after? FE00, FE0F. Let's change this to it might just be that we weren't oops. Launch. Shit. Launch. So it's not triggering. FE00. That's what I did, right? Printf hex number. Is this a different one actually? There's variation selectors, but then there's also Unicode skin tone. Yeah, but do these use the variation selector or do they use something else? Looks like they use something else. Hmm. Yeah, let's see. We've got yeah, maybe I should make this not so long. Why is this one 1F? So this is saying what? That was man and then man shrug. Man shrug and then emoji modifier Fitzpatrick type 5. You know, you learn something new about Unicode every time you do it. This actually means my other code is wrong. So I'm a little bit confused because it seems like oh, so we gave up before we got to the ZWJ. We had a ZWJ coming up, but we hit this and we ate the modifier. So we want to just skip over modifiers, right? So we just say or there we go. We launched the you know what? I might actually be handling this in a very cursed way here. I'm not. This is yeah. This should really be counting for the modifier. Oopsie. At least it'll work in our Go code. Okay, let's take our function back to here. And we'll need to import the Unicode. That goes up here. Great. Wait, where am I using format? Okay. What's this? Yeah, I'm sure there's like emoji things that I'm missing. You know, it's possible the skin tone thing didn't like exist when I wrote my thing. Great. We fixed the code. So now if we what do we do? Go test. Are there examples or anything? How are you supposed to do anything? Undefined? Wait. Surely I didn't break it that much. Okay, you can't run this package. I have no idea how to test this. Go module use fork. I have to do a tag. Blech. Can I not do a commit hash? Please? Let's look for a more recent answer. Okay, we can use a hash. This pane is just fucked. Go to mod. Why do I have two different require blocks? Charm bracelet. Bubbles. Me. Bubbles. Why is it an error? Huh? Why are these errors? Why is it hanging? It upgraded thing. Why did it upgrade things? I didn't want it to do that. Oh God. Well, let's see if it still works. I think it does. No. It's still cutting your name off after like 3 characters. Hmm. And it weirdly didn't add the whoa. That was even weirder. Why is the whole row fucked up? Yeah, I see that. How do I know if it actually downloaded my thing? It says it did. Yeah. It nothing changed. Why did nothing change? Let's make sure that this is doing what we expect. Uh, I told it to use my repository, but I'm not sure. Wait, what? What? Oh, that kind of worked. Hey, why does it say I'm disconnected? Oh, it doesn't. I just forgot how this works. Okay, that did work. So maybe the lip gloss thing was just adding extra garbage. Wait, why is it still red? Shouldn't be. Well, it's just uh what color is red? 31. What the fuck? No, it's breaking my... Oh, no. I didn't think about that. Shit, we can't do reset. Whoa, why did it crash? Oopsie. Index out of range. Man, this is going poorly. Hmm. Hmm. Trying to think of alternatives to this. Like if we just don't color the text, how bad would that be? Or what if we only reset the foreground color? Can we do that? Let's try 39. We're gonna have to put that in the dependency though. Unfortunately. Oopsie. So instead of this, we do what? 39M? Really? I still have the Go mod open somewhere? Okay. $39. We'll see. Well, it's pink instead of red. And your score is also red. Why is your score also red? Do I care enough to fix that? Oh, and it's fucking bleeding all over the place. I guess 39 doesn't quite do it. Mhm. What do you use to write to the terminal? What do you mean by that? Yeah, it seems like that default was a nice thought. I mean, do we just set it back to 30? Oh, it's a charm bubble tea. No, charm is one of the charm ones. Okay, what if we try 30? That was an instant crash. Oh, wait, I think I know why that's happening. It just has a temporary fix. Didn't help. Hmm. Go get. God, why did it still crash? Thought I just fixed it. Index out of range. How does that happen? Did I not just add a check that was like literally that? I don't understand. So this is still here. Mm, I know this isn't any different, but while I'm here, so why would this be? Could it be that pause is too far? When was the exact stack trace? Index out of range 19 with length 19. I wish you gave me a line number. Oh, you did. 406. $406. How the fuck? No, that can't happen. The check prevents it. Right? Am I insane? Maybe it just didn't vendor right. I don't know. Or maybe it didn't restart after the go get ran, because why would it? Wait, you're not actually a cop? I know. Tragic. Where did the room go? Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Slice out of bounds. Oh, that's a new error. Okay, we can fix this one. If pause greater than or equal to len s, easy. I'm not bad at Unicode. I'm just bad at coding. I know what I wanted to do. I wish there were a faster way to render this. I love how slow go get is. It's like slower than Rust compile. I won't take it back. It's true. I don't think 30 was the right number. What the fuck is it supposed to be? What is the default color in the terminal? Can you literally not set it to like the default color? Terminal default foreground color. And terminal reset only foreground color ANSI. 39M. Now you're just lying to me because I tried that. Oh, but it was kind of crashy, so maybe it would work. Let's try it. Why not? What have we got to lose? Rust compile doesn't have to download source of the internet. I don't even think this is a big repo. Like, when it does the downloading, it's quite fast, but it's all the other shit that it's doing before it does the downloading. It's like checking every thing to see if it updated. It's totally they're gonna push an update in the last like 5 seconds. Restart this. Instead of 30, these are going to be 39. That looks pretty red to me. Maybe we want bright red. How do we do bright red? 91? I thought there was some other way to do it. 1 colon, or 1 semicolon. No, wait. Yeah. That doesn't look any different to me. Let's try the 91, I guess. It doesn't look different. High intensity colors. I don't know if we're going to be able to get this color. What if we do like 196? Ooh. There we go. Oh, that's pretty red. Okay, so if I refresh, I get disconnected. I come back, it turns back. Oh my god. This has been a saga. What if I change my name to a bunch of emojis? Oh no. At this point, I don't care. Why did they... Wait a minute. Oh, when you disconnect, you can't even tell because the emojis don't turn red. God, I stayed up for 2 hours that I should have been asleep. So you should be able to kick people. Oh? You reconnected? Welcome back. Hey, reset me. I don't like how this whole thing resizes when the roll button shows up. It's like... Or does it not? Is it just the dice that move? Hold on. I swear it resizes sometimes. Do I leave my mouse here? Oh shit, it's my turn. I'm watching it. Oh, it resizes down here. Interesting. I think it only goes by like one character. Let's see. If I put my finger here. Or I could just like highlight some text, right? Yeah, it only goes one character higher. Um this is chaos. New game equals roll button. What's under dice? I don't know. What if we just started as a new line? Fuck. No, didn't work. About two new lines. No. Hmm. Why the fuck not? What the fuck happened here? Huh? Fuck. I don't understand why that's happening. We're joining vertical. New game dice under dice. Hey, thank you for the raid. How's it going? How's your stream? Do I follow you? I don't. What were you up to? Some software and game dev? Yeah. It's always cool to meet new people. That's what I really like raids on Twitch because of that. Trying to revive an MMORPG that was abandoned by the original developers. Well, that sounds fun. What if I do this with a margin? We're working on this weird, terminal version of a game. This is the game normally. It's like a browser-based, you roll some dice. I'm working on this very stubborn bug where the whole window is like resizing itself. Like, I don't understand. Why did that just shrink down? Is it because the box? Hold on. What happens if we zoom in a bunch? Does the container just have like a minimum size that we're not meeting? This approach is clearly not working. Width. We slap a border on the whole thing. Can we set like a minimum height? No. Uh, where do we do anything with a height? Then give it a follow. None of this stuff has a height. I don't understand. Okay, the dice have a height. Player panel, height. -2. What if we just... Does that make it better? I have no idea at this point. It doesn't look right. I kind of want to just zoom in to the point where this is like the exact size I want it to be. Like here. And then we'll be able to see if it gets bigger than that. Yeah, it got bigger. Okay. So this is the size it should be. It should be full frame at this size. Let me try and understand the like hierarchy here. We're combining the bar. What's the bar? Oh, like the sidebar. We've got the new game button, the dice, the part under the dice. Why are we not able to use new game? Where's the text? It went away. Oh, maybe because it needs a width? Well, why did I put that as a string? Well, it's just not here. Wait. Oh. Oh. I see what's happening here. Okay, there's our hay. Let's change this. It doesn't need a width. And this is gonna be like 2, I think. No. I think it's 3. We roll? What the fuck? Oh, no. Oh, shit. Okay. This is complicated. Mm. Mm. This is horrible. Don't be like me. Okay. No, 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 no. No, no, no. You saw nothing. I don't know what you think you saw, but it's not what you think. Where the fuck is this? Hey. You're pretty sure you're seeing what you... No, you're definitely not seeing what you think you're seeing. That is... It's just wrong. I'm sorry. No. No, I'm hating every second of this. Don't even worry about it. This is the worst. Pretending to hate it? No, I'm actually having a bad time. I have the receipts. You ready? This is how you know I was having a bad time. I have the Go Playground open. Does this look like I was having a good time? Because I assure you. This is nothing but suffering going on here. They're okay. They leave a little bit to be desired. All of this happened because I wanted to color some text in this table. Yeah, good cop knows what's up. Okay. All right, fair. I feel like I want to implement this as like a chat command or something where you just do like skip. And kick. Although kick will be weird because how do you specify who you want to kick? I don't want to make you type their name. All right, this is a new problem. How do you kick someone? Yeah. We could do like well, first of all, let's commit what we have. Truly a language of all time. What if we had a thing where you could like I'm thinking if you hit up or down, the purple selection moves and you switch to a different mode. You switch to like a mode where you're like inspecting a player. And then maybe you can kick them from there. This could work, maybe. Actually, I think the table has something for like focusing. Well, we can look. We have the code right here. Focus. With focused sets the focus state of the table. Yes, we can focus the table. Whatever the fuck that means. Oh gosh. Didn't mean to do that. Huh? Let's try focus. So if you're in a game scene, in an update, and we get a keyboard event. Do we handle keyboard events anywhere near? Yeah, here. What's the table? Players. M.players blur. Case J. Case down. M.players focus. I don't know if this is gonna work, but oh, it does. That's a miracle, to be honest. Oh no. We need to not do that if yeah, it is. We need to blur if you go into insert mode. Okay. Typing no longer. Screws things up. We do have some weirdness. Nice. We do have some weirdness if the table updates while you're like scrolling through the players. That's gonna move your cursor. But maybe we just don't worry about that. Thanks for the follow. Hmm. Wait, is this even what is doing this? Table view? No, players view. Player panel. Aha. It's the player panel. So here's where we do if m.players focus. Whoa. Thank you for the raid. How's your stream? What are we working on? We're doing some Golang. Twitch API nonsense. Oh, I'm way too familiar with that. We're doing some charm UI in the terminal with our favorite language, Golang. Everyone's favorite, right? Everyone just has a great time when they write Golang. What terminal do you use? This is actually the Windows terminal. You're working on some TUI stuff outside of stream? What are you using? Cause I kind of regret using the charm libraries. They're pretty good, but sometimes they make me upset. Mainly the fact that they're written in Go is like the biggest downside, I would say. Kitty. I haven't tried that one, I don't think. I've tried like every other terminal. Using Rust and Crossterm. I haven't heard of Crossterm. Let me check that out. Okay, what does it do? Is it just like a low level, like ANSI codes situation? I have to head out for dinner. All right, thank you for the raid. It feels like it's just like a curses style wrapper over control codes. That's cool though. Yeah, I've used Alacrity. I don't know if I've used Kitty. But I actually like the Windows terminal. It used to have some issues, but most of them have been fixed, or like their only problems in like WSL. Um, all right, wait, what was I doing? I was writing an if statement. We want to set. Can we try and keep it to English? Because I don't know what that says. Oh, hey. I'm always writing things in Bash more than I should. Let me tell you, you're probably not doing it to the extent that I am. Um, that's one of my other projects. Can we do a border color? Border. Thanks. How do we color the border foreground? Uh Something like this. Wait, why can't I go all the way up? Oh, wait, I know why. What color do I actually want though? I want that like purple color. 57. Yeah. Okay, so we want to do the same thing in render table. Except the opposite of that. Okay, now we can like select things here. We can still do chat. Yeah, this is cool. Hmm. Project. That would be a good thing to do. Right now we're working on this. It's we can play a quick game. Oh, wait. New game. Come join my lobby. Thank you. This has been a long time in the making, and I'm not a designer, so this was rough for me. Ignore the fact that I have D20s. Don't worry about that. Yeah, so that's a weird feature that we added called Rollicubes Premium. If you pay for premium, you get to choose your own background color whenever it's your turn. Is it written in Bash? No. It's written in these languages. Mostly C++, some TypeScript, some C, some Go, some Rust, some CSS. What do you mean, ew? Oh, I could go down and reset somebody at 3. Doesn't seem worth it, though. I have too many tabs open again. Not the same on all screens, but same results. Oh yeah, you're talking about the dice? Yeah, so I wrote a blog post on this because it is actually, you're right. It's not an easy problem. If you wanna read about how I did that, um it's not trivial. I mean, it kind of is. The general idea is that you you do the physics, the whole simulation in like one frame, and then you look at the you look at like the normals to see which side is facing up, and then you you remap the UVs of the texture so that it ends up being, think about it like rolling blank dice, then going back in time and drawing the sides on the dice right before you do the roll. Like that's essentially how it works. Yeah, I mean, it took me a lot of thinking to figure out how the heck you're supposed to do this. And I didn't find a lot of like, I don't know, this seems like a problem that would have been solved before, and I'm sure it has been, but I couldn't find anybody writing about it, which is why I wrote my post. It is a pretty interesting problem. You wouldn't think that it would be so hard. No, I don't have any cheats in the code for myself. Thanks for the follow. The fun side effect of writing this code is that I can, like, with a few changes, I can, make a dice simulator where you can roll whatever you want, which is fun. You can make cursed dice that always roll ones. The d20s that I have when I roll on my turn are not actually d20s. They're right, like they're just a cosmetic for the d6s. So like when I roll, I roll with 20-sided die, but they don't ever land on anything other than 1 through 6, which is a little bit scuffed. Virtual weighted dice, yeah. I'm gonna kick you. You're wrecked. thanks for asking. Most people don't ask about that. And I like talking about it because it's just such a weird. I love when you find those like weird hard problems that you didn't expect to be hard. Those are my favorite. Who's got achievements? Just me. Let's see. Hey, how's it going? Just about to win the game. How about you? Oof. That's brutal. Get that fat dub. I'm trying. Oh, I didn't think you would get that. I love how the crown looks on your avatar. It actually fits so perfectly. Yeah, it suits you. How do you have 21? Hello? There's a few achievements in this game that are really hard to get. Um One of them I don't even have. If you get doubles, you get to go again. So there's a concept in this game called a perfect game. A perfect game is where you win in one turn. How did you come up with this idea? I don't remember. This I made this game up like a long time ago, just as like a game to play in person. And then a few years ago I like made it into a website. But I was a literal child when I invented the rules of the game. So I have no idea what the inspiration was, to be honest. Um what language did you make this in? Looks Java-ish. It's made in a bunch of languages, but most of what you're seeing here is TypeScript. Um, Anyways, the idea of a perfect game is where you win in one turn. And so for that to happen, you have to roll. You could roll, for example, I think 12, 12, 9. So you'd have to roll double sixes, and then like a 3 and a 6 or a 5 and a 4. Um, which is pretty low probability. But we let me see if I still have this. We did a really nerdy analysis of the odds of winning in one turn, and it's actually not that crazy. It's like 1 in 1200. All the Docker files and stuff. You must be a professional dev or infra person. Yeah, I mean, I use this project mostly as an excuse when I want to learn something new. So it has a little bit of everything going on in here. We've got like generated docs with like this graph is like auto-generated. It's just like, I don't think these are updated anymore. These are all generated. What's that? Your dice keep going to 0. Yeah, so if somebody else gets the same score as you, you get reset. I've had a long-standing task to add like game events into the chat, but I haven't done it. Graphling. Oh yeah, I'm just using GraphViz. But it's cool, like if you edit this file, I have like a GitHub action that regenerates the PNG and puts it on the docs. It's a little bit silly. Just a ripoff of that from Markdown. Gotcha. Well, that could be cool. We haven't finished it yet, but there's another, so there's an open issue that I've started working on. Where is it? Here. Because I'm trying to play Rolly Cubes, but when I connect in Minecraft, I get this error. Connection refused. Expected behavior should probably just work. We started working on this, but I haven't got it quite playable yet. You can connect and you can chat, but you can't. We don't have a representation of like the game state yet in the world. But I do want to get that working. I'm gonna switch to this one. Since this is the one we're working on right now. How long have I been live? 3 hours? Oh, no, you got reset again? Terminal view of the same game? Yeah, this is what we've been working on. So the idea is that like, you know, some people don't want to install like such a heavy client like a browser. So what you can do instead is you just do SSH to the website and then you're in. Yeah, it is Golang. It's using Charm's wish library. This one. They have an example where you can how do you get to the example? It's like a soft serve. They have like a little like get server running on here where you can like go through all their different GitHub repositories. You like the nice message when a user is 69? Can I win? No. We go up. No. I was so close. Damn. Everyone's better at this game than I am. Thank you. It's very simple, but it's fun to have a game that's simple that you can just like keep expanding like vertically instead of horizontally. Like I think it's fun to make all these like weird clients for the game. Yeah, the Connect 4 is still up, I think. I'll play some Connect 4. I'm on yellow team. Exactly. Ooh. Yeah, there's a Wordle one too. This one. Let's see. What do we got going here? I'm not sure how to win from here. Ooh, that was a mistake. Oh. Wait, what am I supposed to do here? What's the easy win? What? You threw, but I don't know how you threw. Do I go here? Why is that good? Because I can go here? Yeah, I think you're toast. Wait, no, how do I win? Oh, here. Okay. I got a little worried there. How are we doing over here? God, I haven't played Wordle in so long. But I can tell you with certainty that this right here spells uh uh ooh, this spells uh mm, what is this? I'm like I'm struggling here. Oh, okay. Good job, whoever got that. Let's see. Let's do like acorn. Salsa was your guess? Okay, not bad. Good info. No. Rough. Could be like I was gonna do this. Oh, still not that. Toxic? Okay. That was close. All right, somebody else do the first guess. Ooh, alert. Hmm. Mm. Oh, this reveals the problem with concurrent Wordle. Ooh, that was close. All right. Turn-based? I thought about doing that, but I don't know. I like the chaos of it. I think I'm gonna call this good for today. We've 3 hours 20. That yeah, it's like 5 in the morning. Wait, what? Why is there a big commented out block? Hold on. I don't want this. And we can do deploy on this. And then I can go to bed. Who should we raid? Could raid Crutchcorn. What is he doing on at this hour? Yeah, let's do it. I still have no idea what React server stuff is. I just know you can do like use server and then that's cool or something. So maybe I'll learn something here before I fall asleep. Thanks to everyone who stuck around from the raid. Don't know him. What's he code? He's doing some TypeScript, some front end stuff. Thanks. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll see you all soon. I waved the wrong direction. I'm used to my camera being over there. I moved it to here. All right, bye.